in the presence of all the honorable MLAs of Bardez Taluka, and we took it in my chamber today at around 1 p.m. So the following discussion points were taken up. One is the lockdown restrictions, which is a section 144 order by the North Goa collector, which was issued last night. So discussion was on that and the various exemptions and the restrictions that has been placed. Second was on identification of micro-containment zones based on data analysis that we are doing at our level. So that was also transparently discussed and told to the honorable MLAs. And the third was testing centers. And fourth is vaccination centers, and our plan of action also from 1st of May, wherein 18 plus people will be eligible to take the vaccination. So all the information was duly shared with the honorable MLAs, and the meeting concluded peacefully and with the vote of thanks.
All MLAs were present for this meeting?
Yes, almost all of the representatives were sent.